What is the difference between buffalo wings and chicken wings? The main difference is the recipe. Now, chicken wings refers to all chicken wings of all recipes. It could be breaded, it could be hot with a hot sauce on it. It could have nothing on it. So all chicken wing recipes. Buffalo wings, it's a specific type of chicken wing. It refers to a recipe that uses this hot sauce with vinegar and butter in it. It was invented in Buffalo, New York. That's why it's called buffalo wings. It's not because it's a buffalo animal. I don't know how that would be possible because buffaloes don't have wings. So it's not buffalo meat. It's chicken. It's just the sauce that was used on the sauce that's used on the chicken was invented in Buffalo, New York. So that's why it's buffalo wings. So buffalo wings equals specific recipe that comes from Buffalo, New York. Chicken wings equals all chicken wing recipes. It's a generic term. But the important thing to know is it's all chicken. Chicken wings, buffalo wings, it's all chicken. So there you go. All right. Hope I cleared that up. I don't know why people thought buffalo wings was buffalo meat. That was weird. But it's not. Buffaloes don't have wings, and if they did, they'd be huge. All right. Subscribe, and I'll teach you some more weird stuff.